check your attendance. Okay, Nizam, Evelyn Renata, Wijaya, Bunga Uremi. Alright, now I would like you to put your phone in your bag so that you can focus on the lesson later. Okay, and then during my class, you have to try to speak English. Don't worry if you make mistake, okay? Alright, so then let's start our lesson today. So first of all, I would like to ask you some questions. Do you like traveling?
Yes!
Okay, that's good. What place do you usually visit? How about you, Bunga?
I usually visit beach.
Okay, a beach. Okay. Can you describe your favorite place, place in one word?
The beach is so beautiful and peaceful.
Okay, that's good. Thank you for the answer, Bunga. So please give an applause to Bunga. Okay, so what you have just done is describing a place. And then, so today we are going to learn about descriptive text, especially how to describe places. Alright, so we are going to learn descriptive text. And okay, the descriptive text is a type of text that describes a particular person, place, or thing in detail. And then the social function is to describe a person, place, or thing in specific detail so that the reader can clearly imagine its characteristic, appearance, or qualities. Okay. Next. So, the learning objective today is, by the end of the lesson, through the genre-based approach stages, and based on a given model text, students are able to identify, analyze, and produce descriptive text independently and accurately using correct genre structure and appropriate language features. Do you understand?
Yes!
Alright, students. Now let's take a look at this picture. Can you guess what place is this?
Beach!
Okay, good job. That's correct. It is a beach. Next, what can you see in this picture?
Coconut tree.
Water? Rock? Sandy?
No, it's not sandy, but it is sand. Okay.
Sand.
Alright. Now, okay, you're welcome. Next question. How does this place look like? What do you think, Nizam?
The beach looks peaceful.
Okay, the beach looks peaceful. Okay, thank you for the answer. Next, let's look at some vocabulary on the slide. Okay, you have to listen and repeat after me. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. First, beach,
Beach.
sea,
Sea.
water,
Water.
coconut tree.
Coconut tree.
Next, cloud,
Cloud.
rock,
Rock.
sand,
Sand.
hot,
Hot.
beautiful,
Beautiful.
relax,
Relax.
peaceful,
Peaceful.
clean,
Clean.
blue,
Blue.
green,
Green.
big,
Big.
small.
Small.
Okay, so that's all the vocabulary you have pronounced. So we have noun and adjectives here. Okay, can you guess which word is the noun? Who wants to answer? The noun. Okay, Evelyn?
Rock.
Okay, that's correct. Rock is a noun. And then next, which one is the adjective? Who wants to answer? Okay, Nizam.
Beautiful.
Okay, that's correct. Beautiful. Okay, so please give an applause to Evelyn and Nizam. Students, now let's move on to the next slide. We will talk about the genre structure of descriptive text. Okay, so here we have two structures. First, identification. So in this part, introduce the object being described and it provides general information about the person, thing, or place. And then the second one is descriptions. So this part describes the characteristics, features, or details of the object, such as appearance, qualities, or special attributes. Since you have learned the algebraic structure before, now let's take a look at this example of descriptive text about Borobudur Temple. So, can you see the text?
Yes.
Okay. Now I would like two students to help me to read this text. Who wants to read the first paragraph?
Me.
Okay, Wijaya, time is yours.
Borobudur Temple is a famous historical place in Magelang, Central Java. It is known as the largest Buddhist temple in the world and one of Indonesia's most important cultural heritage sites.
Okay, thank you for Wijaya. Next, the paragraph 2. Who wants to read? Alright, Bunga, time is yours.
The temple has a unique design set like a giant mandala with several levels, many stupas, and Buddha statues inside them. It is surrounded by beautiful natural scenery such as hills and green
Fields.
fields.
Okay.
And creating a calm atmosphere, especially in the morning when mist cover the area. The structure reflects the skill and creativity of ancient Indonesian builders. Borobudur Temple is not only a tourist attraction but also a symbol of Indonesia's history and culture.
Alright, thank you Bunga and thank you Wijaya. Alright, so as you can see, the first paragraph is the identification part. So it describes the place Borobudur Temple in general. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, and then the second paragraph is the description. So it describes the Borobudur Temple in detail. Right, do you get what I mean?
Yes.
Okay. Next, we will see the language features of descriptive text. First, here we have simple present tense. So it used to describe general facts or characteristics that always true. Okay? We have verbal sentence here and nominal sentence. So verbal sentence uses action verb to show what the subject does. For example, the city has many buildings. So the verb is has. And the pattern, subject plus verb 1 plus SES plus object. And then for nominal sentence, use to be verb to link the subject with an adjective or a noun. For example, the beach is beautiful. So we use to be is and the adjective is beautiful. And then the pattern, subject plus to be plus adjectives or noun. Do you get what I mean?
Yes.
Alright, next I wanted to create one verbal sentence and one nominal sentence. Who wants to create one sentence for verbal one? Alright, Evelyn? Okay.
I visit Singapore Mall.
Alright, I visit Singapore Mall. Okay, which one is the verb?
Visit.
Okay, that's correct. Good job, Evelyn. Next, who wants to create nominal sentence? Alright,
I think for me, normal sentence is my classroom is clean.
alright, my classroom is clean. So the to be is and the adjective is clean. Okay, that's good. That's correct. Alright, next we will see the second language features is adjective. So adjectives are essential in descriptive text. So because they are used to describe the qualities or characteristics of a person, things, or place. And then for example here we have beautiful, crowded, clean, peaceful, famous, and amazing. Okay, do you get what I mean? And then the last one we have proper nouns. So proper nouns is used to refer to particular people, places, or things being described, and it should be written in capital letters. For example, here Raja Ahmad. So the capital letters is R and A, and then Borobudur Temple, and the last one learn about the language features, example, and the definition. Now it's time to you to do an exercise. So I will divide you into a small group, which consists of 2 people. Right? And then I will give you a worksheet. And in the worksheet, you have to complete the partially completed descriptive text with missing parts. So you need to fill the blank with your partner. Okay? Do you get what I mean?
Yes.
Okay. So I will give you 10 minutes to finish and to do this work. Alright? Do you have any problem?
What does it mean by popular?
This is popular. Popular means terkenal.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome. Do you have any problem, Luna?
Yes, sir. For question 10,
Okay, number 10. One.
is used as. So we need to adjective or not?
So if you can see here, this one is and then this name space. So this one place. Place is a location. So place noun or adjective. Okay, it's a noun. So here we need adjective. So adjective to describe the noun. And then don't forget to pay attention. So we use when the next word has the sound, the first sound, vowel sounds. Like for example, an apple. So the first sound is vowel sound. Okay, do you get what I mean? Okay, most welcome. Time's up. So now let's check check the answer. Okay, here as you can see, answer number 1 is popular, and then number 2, beautiful scenery, number 3, clean, and then number 4, clear, number 5, relaxing, number 6, do, and then number 7 have small, and number 8 is very rich, number 9 peaceful, and the last one amazing. Okay, that's all. So who gets all correct from the world? Alright, so yeah, so after working with your group and with your partner, so now it's time for you to do individual work. So here, now individual work. After receiving the worksheet from me, from the teacher, so you have to look at the picture and write your descriptive text about the place in one paragraph only. So you have to pay attention on the language features and the mechanics writing also and the generic structure. Okay, do you get what I mean? And then, so you have 20 minutes to complete the task. So now I will share the worksheet. Okay, that's me. I would like my students to share the descriptive text that you have made. Maybe I will choose Una. Okay, Una. Okay, listen to your friend.
Alright. The title is Singkawang City. Singkawang is a beautiful city in West Kalimantan, Indonesia, which is famous for its Chinese culture and colorful tradition. The city is often called the City of a Thousand Temples because there are many Chinese temples around the area. Singkawang is also known for its delicious food and people and beautiful tourist attractions such as beaches and mountains. One of the most popular events in the city is the Cap Gome Festival, which attracts many visitors every year. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much. Good job. So, today you have done a great job for completing all the tasks today. So, now it's time to you to reflect on what you have learned today. So, who wants to share the ideas? Alright, Lisa, time is yours.
Today we have learned about descriptive text, which used to describe things or place, and the generic structure and the language features of descriptive text.
Alright, so please give on the first one. Alright, that's good, Lisa. And then, so, students, today you have learned, as Lisa said, we have learned about definition of descriptive text, the generic structure, and the language features. So, I hope you understand